Hello everyone and welcome to another Substack tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to attach files, Excel files, PDF files in a Substack post. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So you're going to click create, you're going to select an article here. You're going to write anything you like in the title, subtitle, or whatever, let's say you want to include. And here what you're going to do is you're going to open your file in a different folder within your computer. You're going to get the file, you're going to drag and drop it inside your article, and that's it. That's how you can add any file you like within a Substack post. So you're going to start an article, you're going to drag and drop an Excel file, a PDF, whatever you want, and you are done. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe in my Substack. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.